Not only do cracked feet look unsightly, but they can become painful and even bleed if left untreated. Let's see why heels crack in the first place. If your feet are not washed and moistured properly, it becomes dry and the skin gets thickened, leading to cracked heels, especially when the weather is cold. Standing and walking barefoot on hard surfaces can also crack the heels. Very often, open footwear can only lead to this condition. To prevent heels from cracking or cracks deepening, here are a few remedies you can try. Soak the feet in warm water for about 10 minutes. Dry them thoroughly and using a pumice stone, gently scrub the feet and exfoliate the dead skin. Now massage your feet with olive oil or coconut oil and wear a pair of socks and leave it overnight. Make this a nightly ritual until your cracks disappear. Take 2 cups of warm milk and add about 1 cup of honey to it. Mix this really well. For another 5 minutes, massage this mixture onto your feet until it absorbs it really well. And now wash and dry your feet and apply a moisturizer very generously. Till the heels heal, avoid walking and standing on hard surfaces for long periods and also wearing open footwear. So take care of your feet not only for cosmetic appearances but also to avoid the painful condition they can lead to. Sweating is a natural body process, but bacteria thrive in the sweat, leading to a foul odor. This can be very embarrassing, with people shunning you and not wanting to be around you. So what does one do to get rid of the unpleasant smell? First of all, you need to understand that the areas that sweat the most are the underarms, the feet and the groin. So these areas need to be targeted. Take a glass of normal water. And now add about 500 milligrams of wheatgrass. Mix this well and have this in the morning on an empty stomach. Dust baking soda on the sweat-prone areas. This not only absorbs the sweat but also fights the bacteria that causes the odor. Another remedy would be to take a small ball of cotton wool and dab it on white vinegar and apply it on the sweat-prone areas. Take about 6 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, add it to a bowl, and then add enough curd to make a thick paste. Now apply this paste on sweat-prone areas before bathing and then wash them off. Cut about 8 tomatoes into large chunks, blend them well and sieve the pulp and extract tomato juice like this. You can add this tomato juice to your bathing water. Alternatively, you can also add few tablespoons of rose water to your bathing water. And finally, for the final rinse, you can add a teaspoon of honey to lukewarm water and rinse yourself off. Follow these remedies to get rid of foul odor, but make sure you have frequent baths and hydrate yourself well. Drink plenty of water and have a lot of spinach and other green leafy vegetables. Eat well, drink well and lead a healthy life. When the weather turns cold, it often causes dry and chapped lips. It becomes painful and even sometimes bleed. People tend to also keep licking at their lips due to the discomfort, but this can prove to be more detrimental. Not only the cold, but long periods out in the hot sun can also cause dry and chapped lips. However, you need not worry, as there are easily available ingredients in your kitchen that will provide relief for your lips. Take a fresh cucumber, wash it well and grate it. Extract a juice from it and apply this on your lips. Leave it for about 10 minutes and wash it off. Do this several times a day to see better results. Strange as it may sound, gently massage mustard oil into the navel and this will provide relief from chapped lips. Take a bowl and add about 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of glycerin and about 3 to 4 drops of lime juice. Mix it well, apply it on your lips and leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning with a small cotton ball soaked in warm water. Consume plenty of water during the day and also add foods rich in vitamin A to your diet. Avoid licking your lips excessively and peeling off dry skin off your lips. These are very simple measures but proven very effective nonetheless. Every woman's dream is clean and glowing skin. Some are blessed with it, but don't lose heart. A little effort on your part can go a long way in achieving clear and healthy skin. Though we wash our face with soap or face wash and water every day, this is not enough. While bathing, follow this simple routine to thoroughly cleanse your face. Take a bowl and add a teaspoon of gram flour or besan, which is a natural exfoliant to remove dead cells. Now add a teaspoon of dry milk powder, which nourishes the skin. And now add enough water to make a thin paste. Before you go in for a bath, wash your face with warm water and then apply the scrub over it, and after a bath you can wash it off. If your skin is excessively oily, then squeeze few drops of lemon juice onto a cotton ball, then dip it in milk and cleanse your face. You can also try another remedy. Take a small bowl, add a teaspoon of almond oil and add a teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and apply this on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with warm water. When you step out, you are exposed to a lot of environmental pollutants, so your skin not only needs cleansing but nourishing as well. This is a home remedy you can try. Take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of sandalwood paste. To this, add quarter teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder and add a little water or rose water to make a thick paste. Mix this well and apply this on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. These remedies can definitely help with your skin, but to get radiant skin you need to have a healthy diet and get your beauty sleep. So eat well, sleep well and watch your skin glow. Many of us like to maintain long nails, but very few realize they also need to be nurtured. Very often, nails become brittle and they crack and break easily. Broken nails not only look bad, but they also could be a sign of iron deficiency. Try these simple remedies for healthy nails. First and foremost, keep your fingernails dry and clean to prevent bacteria from forming beneath your nails. Take about 250 ml of water, which is about 1 cup. Add a tablespoon of lime juice. You can soak your fingernails in this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wash it off with warm water, dry it well and remember, moisturize as well. You can do this with your toenails as well, and this procedure not only keeps your nails healthy but also removes nail stains. Take some warm mustard oil and soak your toenails and fingernails in it for about 10 minutes. Gently massage each toe and finger and remove the excess oil. Make this a daily routine for healthy nails. Take some freshly squeezed lime juice and with a small cotton ball, gently rub some lime juice onto your finger and toenails. Wash it and dry it thoroughly, and this in fact makes your nails even more stronger. Finally, include foods like spinach, beetroot, nuts and dry fruits to your diet very frequently to give your nails the needed nutrients. Pamper your nails and watch them grow healthy and lustrous.